Good afternoon and happy birthday, JRN Steven. Today, March 22, 2026, here in Pasig City, Mercedes Avenue. So, we ordered a boodle fight for our celebration today, for our family. Bawal na kasi mangot. Alright, so what we're gonna have today for our dinner, by the way, time check now, it's 6 p.m. So we have the tuna panga, or the jaw of the tuna fish. Then you have pork barbecue. Then you have assorted grilled vegetables, onion, red eggplant, green beans. Then you have salmon, grilled salmon, pampano, grilled fresh right on the spot. Total cost for this is 5,599 for party of 10. This is their menu. They're open from morning until 7:30 in the evening. Right, fresh on the grill. Let's go, guys! Attack! Attack! Bon appetit! Huwag kami yung cellphone mo.
Oo. Asan si Dad? Bugas tayo.
Sige, Dad. Upo ka lang, Dad. Para makasama ka sa video ko. Ma, upo ka, ha? Bibidyoan kita, ha? Ano? Boodle fight, Dad. Kailangan, di ka pala nag-breakfast dito eh.
Ano naman? Vlogger ka na rin, ma? Motovlogger?
Jude, sit down, anak. Anong birthday wish mo?
Ako. Kompletong pamilya, walang sakit. Kapag patapos ng sa pag-aaral.
Very good. Amen,
Safe.
amen.
Paano naman daw yung good health pero maybe?
Ano daw?
Good health ang wish pero may inuman. Kapapastahal doon.
Asan si Steven?
Nagugas na kayo?
Na. Babe, may langan dumadapo.
Upo na kasi.
Steven, anong birthday wish mo?
Long life ka lang ako.
Ayun. Hindi sila selfish, no? For their family. Okay. Enjoy, ha?
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, ha?
Oh, dito na ako na Google File. Kami na. Dado? Una pa nga.